If Chrome is refusing to install an extension, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step. Whether the issue is caused by a conflicting extension, a browser restriction, bad cached data, or even a corrupted Chrome profile, these solutions can usually get you back up and running fast. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, start with conflicting extensions. Sometimes another extension already installed in Chrome can block a new one from installing properly. To check this, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome, go to Extensions, and then select Manage Extensions. On this page, you'll see every extension currently installed in your browser. Begin turning them off one by one. This helps you isolate whether one of them is causing the problem. After disabling one extension, try installing the new extension again. If it works, you found the conflict. If not, turn that one back on and move to the next. It may take a few tries, but this is one of the fastest ways to spot an extension-related issue. Next, check for corporate or admin restrictions. If you're using a work, school, or managed computer, your organization may have blocked extension installations altogether. To see whether that's the case, type Chrome/policy into the address bar and press Enter. This will show any policies currently enforced on Chrome. Look closely for anything like Extension Install Block List or Extension Settings. If either of those appears, that means the device may be restricting which extensions can be installed. In that case, you may need to contact your administrator or use a personal device instead. Now, let's move on to clearing browser data. Corrupted cache or cookies can interfere with extension downloads and cause strange installation errors. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time to open the Clear Browsing Data window. Select Cached Images and Files and Cookies and Other Site Data, then click Delete Data. Once the cleanup is finished, restart Chrome and try the extension installation again. This simple step often fixes problems that seem more complicated than they really are. After that, temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall if needed. Some security software can mistakenly block Chrome extensions or prevent files from downloading correctly. If you have third-party antivirus or firewall software installed, pause it briefly and then try installing the extension again. Just remember to turn your protection back on right after testing. This step should only be used as a troubleshooting method, not left off permanently. If none of that works, the next best fix is creating a new Chrome profile. Sometimes your current Chrome user profile becomes corrupted, and when that happens, extension errors can continue no matter what you try. To create a fresh profile, click your profile icon in the top right corner of Chrome and choose Add. Then set up a new profile and sign in if needed. Once the new profile is ready, go back and try installing the extension again. If it works in the new profile, then the issue is likely tied to your original browser profile rather than the extension itself. And that's it. Those are the main ways to fix Chrome extension installation errors quickly and safely. Start with conflicting extensions, then check for policy restrictions, clear browser data, test security software, and finally create a new profile if needed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Chrome troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.